Welcome to Bike Pro, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling superbikes of the year, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory, a machine built for riders who demand race-level precision on the road. Design and aerodynamics. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory carries forward its aggressive Italian styling with refined aerodynamics. The integrated winglets, sharp body lines, and compact chassis are all inspired by MotoGP, delivering both visual impact and real high-speed stability. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory is a powerful 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing explosive acceleration and a high-revving soundtrack. The power delivery is smooth yet brutal, making it equally dominant on track days and fast highway runs. Technology and electronics. Aprilia equips the RSV4 Factory with a full suite of advanced electronics. Multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and a quickshifter work together to give riders maximum control at any speed. Suspension and handling. This superbike features premium Öhlins electronic suspension, delivering razor-sharp handling and exceptional cornering confidence. The lightweight frame and perfectly balanced chassis make the RSV4 Factory one of the most precise superbikes to ride. Braking and safety. High-performance Brembo brakes provide strong, fade-free stopping power. Advanced cornering ABS ensures stability and safety, even under aggressive braking on twisty roads or track conditions. Final verdict. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a true race-bred superbike that blends Italian design, cutting-edge technology, and extreme performance. For riders who want a machine with soul, speed, and precision, this bike stands among the very best.